You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French used in ballet dancing. If you want to learn more names and names of different postures and positions from ballet, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all here, so stay tuned until the end. The French pronunciation is fouettés. This is the plural, this is why it's got an S, but the French pronunciation doesn't pronounce the S at the end. So fouettés, that's in French. Now in English, the singular is usually fouettés, and the S is pronounced, I believe, in English. Sometimes it's often pronounced as fouettés, fouettés. But if you say fouettés, even for the plural, you can always say, well, in French, the S is not silent. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.